Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sleeper sofas under 500 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the good and gracious mid-century sleeper sofa couch. You can convert this sleeper sofa from good and gracious into a temporary bed anytime just by adding a blanket and a pillow. The cushion and the back are closely attached so that there will be no gap present in between when the user will use it as a sofa bed that might cause discomfort. The edge frame of this sofa comes with exquisite seams adding to the architecture. Every corner is stitched carefully with no thread ends or cracks. It is composed of linen gray fabric so that the overall sofa appearance does not look monotonous. The cylindrical sofa feet are firm and stable, making them wear resistance and anti-skid. It enhances the safety of the user and the longevity of the sofa. It is composed of non-corroding solid wood and rich sponge filling to make the soft and sturdy at the same time. The armrest is not only stable and strong but also fits the arm more closely to make it more comfortable. The sofa bed also comes with an additional storage area so that you can keep the blankets and pillows to use them anytime. Moving on at number 4, we have the BEYAN Boston Dark Brown Folding Sofa Bed. This sofa bed from BEYAN comes with 30x87x31 inches HXLXD when folded and can extend up to 45x75 inches when it expands. The 3-seating capacity sofa can fold into a completely flat position with no hassle due to the click-clank technology. You can find the storage space for keeping additional furnishings under the product. It is composed of upholstered chenille fabric and strong wood to provide a sturdy foundation to this sofa. The convertible bed also features metal construction and coil spring that creates a long-lasting service to the user. It can add a perfect touch to any apartment or home. Due to clean upholstery fabric, you do not have to worry about any accidental mess. This folding sofa bed is all-in-one furniture with additional 2 plush feel pillows. You have to keep the sofa 8 inches away from the wall with no direct contact with the sunlight. It is also easy to move the sofa by gripping the middle bottom part of the product. This sofa bed can fit seamlessly in any small living area. At number 3, we have the Alex's new Sofa Sleeper Black Convertible Couch Loveseat Chair Leather Bed Mattress Black. With contemporary styling and the rich finish, the Mainstay's home theater sofa bed is a fine addition to your home. It is perfect for hosting overnight guests or providing a comfortable seating place to relax during the day. This furniture features a thickly padded seat cushion and a loose back cushion for softness. It is easy to use by just removing cushions to reveal a twin-sized sofa bed. It is stain-resistant to hold up against daily wear as well as pet and kid messes. This home sofa bed comes in many colors to coordinate with your home decor. The space-saving design makes it the good choice for a living room, home office or den. At number 2, we have the Ashley Furniture Signature Design Tibbee Sleeper Sofa. The Tibbee Sleeper Sofa from Ashley Furniture is perfect for large spaces. It is made with top-notch foam and wrapped in a polyester upholstery. The pillows are designed with polyfill to help customers experience a calm and morning filled with no neck pain. This sleeper sofa comes with fully assembled. It is available in a slate color. Inspired by high-end menswear, the Tibbee Full Sofa Sleeper is tailored to perfection and dressed to impress. Button-less tufting on the back cushions is richly subtle. Sleek, flared armrests enhance Tibbee's clean-lined, simply striking profile. Pull-out full mattress accommodates overnight guests. And finally at number 1, we have the Mainstay Memory Foam Futon. This sleeper sofa is a great choice for small spaces. The body of this sofa is made of metal and legs provide stability and support. This sleeper sofa is made of faux leather. The sofa is double cushioned as the base of this sofa is covered in a layer of foam then extra memory foam used in upholstery. It has a seating capacity of up to 3 people. This sofa immediately converts from sofa to lounger to sleeper. Split seat and back memory foam provides good support, adjustable arms, durable plastic legs, wooden frame, memory foam and recycled foam stuffing, suede fabric cover. Dimensions 71.65 W by 33.46 D by 32.48 H. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.